I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images and videos with AI tools. Before we get started, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, like this video, and also share it for more people to see, guys. Now let's get started. This is how it is. Let me show you something like this. You see, and you can see it's now riding. Do you understand? Now let's do something like this or something different from this. This is how it is. Let's get started. Let's go to Chrome. We go to Chrome. Let's go to Chrome. And we go to, let's write chat GBT and search. Then search it. Then click it. The first one. Click on it. Then write it here. Tell him, say this. Give me prompt to generate images of a man riding motorcycle at the desert. Put images. Do you understand? Now let me tell you something here. Your prompt will determine the type of images you want. If you want images of a policeman that carries a gun, you write give me prompt to generate images of a man that carries a gun. If you want images for a king, you tell him that to give you images of a king with crown sitting down. Do you understand right now? Now let's keep on. Then we click on hop. Then it will give us prompts. Let's wait. Now it's giving us prompts now. Prompt 1. Ultra cinematic shot. Fearless man riding a powerful motorcycle across a vast desert. Golden sand exploding behind the tire. Dramatic sunset. Sky. Now let me use this prompt 1. Then I'm going to copy it like this. If you copy, now we are going to copy our prompt. If you use the first prompt and you didn't like it, then you come back and pick another prompt. Do you understand? Now that we have copied our prompt, now we go to another website. This website, let's say now write it here. Write VHV, you can see it here, VHERAI. Click on it. Do you understand? You can see the first one. Click on it, and it will load you in like this. Do you understand? Let me cancel this. It will look like this, and it's asking you to continue with your Gmail. You can choose any of your Gmail and continue. Do you understand right now? So after that, you can see what it says. As a free member, there are no need for credit. You can continue to using our program with unlimited access. So unlimited, you can generate unlimited image with this thing. Now let me click on this 3-line home here, and you can see text to image. Click on text to image, and you can see AI text to image generator. Click on it and wait. Do you understand? It will change to this color. After that, cancel it. Cancel this. Click on this star and cancel it. Then scroll down. You can see generate image from text. Click on it and wait. Let it load. Now it has loaded. You can then scroll down to with this type. You can see tips. Then down here you can see this box. Click on it and paste your prompts. Paste your prompts here. Do you understand right now? Paste your prompts here. And after you paste your prompts, this advertisement is too much, man. Okay. Now after you paste your prompt here, then you scroll down. You can see generate. Click on it and wait. Let's see the magic right now. You can see your request is being processed. Your image will be ready shortly. Now let's wait. You see the magic now. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe right now. Like this video and also share it for more people to see, guys. Now let's continue. Let it ready. We are waiting. You can see process image successfully. Then let's scroll up again and see our images. You can see the images now. You can see it. The next thing right now, you can see this arrow down beside the delete logo. Click it and download your image. Let's down. You can see file download. Let's open it on our phone. You can see it has downloaded to our phone. Do you understand right now? It has downloaded. Now let me go and check the images on my phone first. Let me go to my phone. If the image will be there, you can see it's on my phone right now. This is how to generate the image. Now let's do the video. Now we now go back to that website again. Let's go back to this website again. Now this is what you are going to do. Click on this three line again, and you can see image. You can see image to image. You can see image to video. Click on image to video. Do you understand right now? And wait, let it load. Do you understand right now? Then cancel it again. You can see now, you can see generate video from image. Click on it. Do you understand right now? Click on it, and you can see it say upload your image. Click on upload your image. Click on upload your image, then select your image. We are going to select our image and we click on done. Do you understand? Then our image will be uploaded. Do you understand right now? And let me tell you, if it is other image that you didn't upload from, that you didn't generate from this website, you can still turn it to video as well. Do you understand right now? Now you can still generate it as video as well. Now this is what you are going to do. After you have uploaded your image, you can see it say input image description here, or use the prompt generator. Then you click on it and you paste the same prompt that you used that time. Paste it here. After you paste it here, scroll down, then leave everything like this. Let me see. Let's leave everything like this. Then you click on you go down and click on generate. Let's click on generate and see the magic. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. You can see file uploaded successfully, checking status. Let's see the magic. 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 We are waiting. We are waiting. If it is paid version, it won't take too long, but we are using the free version. That is why it's taking too long to generate, but that doesn't matter as long as we can generate, as you can see, process image successfully. Now let's scroll up and see our video. Then you can see it right now. You can see the video. You can see it right now. You can see it right now. If the image is too bold, you can go to ChatGPT to generate image without bold. But I like it at its bold like this. Then you are going to click on the download button and we download it to our file. Now let me go to my phone and check if it has downloaded. It has downloaded, guys. So this is how to generate AI images and videos with AI tools. If you have any question, write in the comment section, guys. Like this video, share it for more people to see, and subscribe for more updates, guys. One love.